What is snoring? What causes snoring and how do we stop snoring? Snoring is a common condition characterized by the noisy sound produced during sleep when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially blocked. The sound is usually caused by the vibration of the soft tissues in the throat and upper airway. Snoring can vary in intensity, from soft to loud, and it can disrupt the sleep of both the snorer and their bed partner. Once upon a time in the quiet town of Serenityville, there lived a man named Oliver who had a peculiar nighttime companion, his thunderous snoring. Every night, as Oliver nestled into his bed, the peaceful tranquility of the town was shattered by the unmistakable symphony of snores emanating from his bedroom.